Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So because we have x, that means I will put negative number 2 go to the left, and we have u squared plus 2 equals to x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so we can simplify like this. The square root we change by u, s we change by this one, the s we change by this one. So u and u we simplify. Number 2 I will put in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 2 we have 2u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.